Bro, people out here are literally making 500 bucks a day while chilling on their couch. No degree, no 9 to 5, just AI tools doing all the dirty work. And the wild part, most people still think AI is just for nerds or tech geniuses. Nah bro, it's your new money printer, if you know how to use it right. Let's dive into 5 AI tools that can straight up make you rich in 2025 and 26, even if you're lazy as hell. You already know ChatGPT, but most people are sleeping on its real money power. With AIPRM, you can pull in thousands just writing product descriptions, YouTube scripts, or blog posts for clients. It's like freelancing on steroids. ChatGPT does the work. You just deliver and collect the bag. And trust me, bro, businesses out there will gladly pay you for saving their time. Tool number 2, Midjourney. This thing's a freaking goldmine for digital art hustlers. You can sell AI-generated logos, posters, or t-shirt designs on Etsy, Fiverr, or even your own store. People are making insane profits by literally typing art prompts. It's that easy. Laughs. Like bro, AI's the new brush, and the money's the canvas. Next up, HeyGen, the tool that basically makes you a virtual actor without ever showing your face. Create videos, product explainers, or TikToks for clients. Just drop your script, choose an avatar, boom, instant video business. And if you're smart, you can use it to run your own faceless YouTube channel, just like this one. Now this one's a time saver. OpusClip turns your long videos into viral short clips automatically. You can charge creators to repurpose their YouTube videos into shorts or reels. No editing skills, no stress, just upload, and the AI does the magic. Finally, Notion AI. This one's for the smart hustlers who love systems. You can build digital templates, planners, and sell them online. Notion users go crazy for that stuff. Think of it like packaging your brain and selling it for cash. So let's keep it real. Man, people out there are making bank using these AI tools while most folks are still scrawling memes and complaining about being broke. The world's changing fast, and those who learn how to ride the AI wave, they're the ones cashing in while everyone else is left behind. You don't need to be a genius, you just need to start. You've already got the roadmap, 5 tools, 0 excuses. Because here's the truth, AI ain't your competition. It's your ticket to financial freedom if you play it smart. So stop sleeping on it. Bro, hit that subscribe button right now. Turn on the bell and join the Bright Mind Hub family, where we turn AI ideas into pure cash flow. We're not just talking about the future here, we're building it. And I want you in it. Catch you in the next one, legend. And hey, remember, work smart, not hard. Peace out.